Okay, so I know I promised everyone that if the Atlanta Falcons lost Super Bowl that I would dance. And that dance hasn't happened. And somebody did bring it up to my attention, and I'm sorry. And I have 10 more weeks of being able to blame pregnancy brain. So that's what I'm gonna do. But because of copyright, I can't actually dance to music. So I decided to come outside where I can feel very inspired by the birds and nature to just start dancing. So here you go. Thank you, Atlanta Falcons, for making me feel so embarrassed right now. Let's do this. Bam! All right, I hope that's good enough. My cheeks are red, so I think I'm gonna go inside now. But hopefully next year I'll be right about Super Bowl.